मङ्गलं भगवान् वीरो मङ्गलं गौतम प्रभु।
Jai Jinendra and welcome to Mangalam. Today we bring to you a very special program on Jain Center of America, New York. Jain Center of America, New York was the first center to be established in North America. 2 years ago, this center was rebuilt at the same location. Today, it is the unique temple, one of its kind in the world. Please enjoy the program. Thank you.
ॐ नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सिद्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो वचायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहूणम्।
In one of the busiest cities in the world, there is a place for peace and spirituality. And once you come inside, you forget the outside world and try to become one with your soul. The first wave of Jain immigrants came to New York from India in the mid-1960s. In order to preserve and maintain their religious and cultural heritage, these early migrants started to informally meet in 1965 in the borough of Manhattan at various facilities. In 1981, the center purchased its first temple building in the borough of Queens in New York City. This temple, though small, was the foundation of what is now one of the most prominent Jain centers in the country. The Jain Center of New York is a 16,000 square foot facility that can accommodate up to 500 people at the same time.
Nisihi, Nisihi, Nisihi. It means we only focus on God. We're in the temple.
ॐ जय 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 निस्सहि 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 निस्सङ्गोऽहं जिनानां सदनमनुपमं त्रिपरितैत्यभक्त्या स्थित्वा गत्वा निषद्।
The most distinctive and unique feature of the temple, however, is that it has managed to unite the diverse traditions of the Jain faith under one building, with each tradition having their own worshipping space.
भाले संस्थाप्य बुद्ध्या मम दुरितहरं कीर्तये शक्रवन्द्यम् निन्दादूरं सदाप्तं क्षयरहितममुं ज्ञानभानुं जिनेन्द्रम्।
The second floor of the temple consists of the Sri Mahavir Swami temple in the Shwetambar Deravasi tradition and a large Upashraya Sthanak in the Sthanakvasi tradition. The Deravasi or Murti Pujak sect believes in idol worship. The Sri Mahavir Swami temple has a main Garbh Graha with Gumat, Kailash and Dwaj. The Mulnaik Pratima Ji is of Sri Mahavir Swami, with Sri Neminath Ji on the right and Sri Sambhavnath Ji on the left. All are made of white marble. The temple also consists of idols of other devs, devis and tirthankars, all made of white marble.
दर्शनं देवदेवस्य दर्शनं पापनाशनं दर्शनं स्वर्गसोपानं दर्शनं मोक्षसाधनं दर्शनं देवदेवस्य दर्शनं पापनाशनं दर्शनं स्वर्गसोपानं दर्शनं मोक्षसाधनं। and this is my temple.
In June 2005, all different traditions of Jainism came together and celebrated Pratishta in their own way. Here are a few glimpses of that event.
प्रतिष्ठाविधि महोत्सवे देवी देवी प्रतिष्ठाविधि महोत्सवे वर्धन कलश प्रतिष्ठाविधि महोत्सवे अष्टोत्तरी बृहत् शांति स्नात्र पूजन विधि महोत्सवे श्री इंद्र दिक्पाल अत्र आगच्छ आगच्छ स्वाहा अत्र तिष्ठ तिष्ठ स्वाहा सत्या ओम पूर्वा
The Jain Center of New York recently celebrated its second anniversary. Since its inception, the temple has seen a tremendous increase in attendance by Jains of all ages. Let's take a look at the temple as it stands now.
दर्शनेन जिनेन्द्राणां साधूनां वन्दनेन च न चिरं तिष्ठते पापं छिद्रहस्ते यथोदकम्
જૈન સેન્ટર ઓફ અમેરિકા ના નામથી ન્યુયોર્કનો જૈન સંઘ વર્ષોથી અહીં જૈન ધર્મની આરાધનાઓ અને પ્રવૃત્તિઓ કરી રહ્યો છે. આજથી 2 વર્ષ પહેલા એક વિશાળ જગ્યાની અંદર નવેસરથી પાયામાંથી જ 5 માળનું એક જૈન સેન્ટરનું ભવ્ય બિલ્ડિંગ બનાવવામાં આવ્યું અને જૈન ધર્મના વિવિધ ફિરકાઓ શ્વેતાંબર મૂર્તિ પૂજક, દિગંબર મૂર્તિ પૂજક, સ્થાનકવાસી પરંપરા, શ્રીમદ રાજચંદ્રજીના આરાધકો અને જિંદતસુરી જીન કુશલસુરી મહારાજના નામથી ચાલતી દાદાવાડીના ઉપાસકો, આ બધા જ અલગ અલગ જૈન સેક્ટરના લોકોએ ભેગા થઈને એકતા સાથે આ જૈન સેન્ટરનું નિર્માણ કર્યું છે અને અહીં દરેક માળ ઉપર અલગ અલગ ફ્લોર ઉપર જૈન સમાજના અલગ અલગ ફિરકાઓને પોતપોતાની ધર્મ આરાધના કરવાની અનુકૂળતાઓ જે ગોઠવી છે એ માટે ન્યુયોર્કનો જૈન સંઘ અભિનંદનને પાત્ર છે. આજે જ્યારે ભૌતિકતા, નાસ્તિકતા અને વિલાસવાદ ચારે બાજુ ફેલાતો જાય છે ત્યારે ધર્મને માનનારા ધાર્મિકો નાના નાના મતભેદોને ભૂલીને, સાંપ્રદાયિક સંકુચિતતાઓને છોડીને બધા એક થઈને જો ધર્મને પ્રસ્તુત કરશે તો જ હવે પછીની આવનારી નવી પેઢી, ન્યૂ જનરેશન ઉપર એ ધર્મનો સારો પ્રભાવ પડી શકશે. અમેરિકા ન્યુયોર્ક જૈન સંઘના દરેક સભ્યોને હું મારા હૃદયની શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવું છું. ઓમ શાંતિ.
Hi, my name is Chairmik Shah. I'm the president of Jain Center of America. Jain Center has grown in leaps and bounds since its inception in 1976. 1981, we first purchased at the same place. It was an old temple here with a smaller building and a few pratimajis. Community put their hearts together and community started growing. In about 2000, we decided to build a bigger project, bigger temple here. Once the community get together and the general public gave him okay, we pretty much took the whole temple down. We moved all the murtis and pratimajis from here. This building was totally tear down, and then we reconstructed. Dr. Shah, with his own team and architects and engineers, and a couple of advice from the seniors of JCA, built this whole temple. Thank you very much. Jai Jinendra.
My name is Kevin Gandhi and I'm 8 years old. The old temple was quite small. It had about 1 room, and this temple has 4 floors, which is really good for a big crowd.
For your tax-free donations, suggestions and comments, please visit mangalamshow.com.
The Sthanakvasi sect of Jainism was founded by a merchant named Lavaji in about 1653. This tradition believes that God is Nirakar, or without form, and hence Sthanakvasis do not pray to any statue. The Upashraya Sthanak on the 2nd floor has space for about 200 people and provisions for audiovisual facilities. In June 2005, all different traditions of Jainism came together and celebrated Pratishta in their own way.
Jinendra. My name is Jawar Eshadi. I am the chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Jain Center of America, New York. And today is an auspicious day. We are celebrating the second anniversary of our Pratishtha Mahotsav, which was held in 2005. And our aim of this temple is all Jains are together. Our attendance in past 2 years has been substantially increased. Every week, even for a normal day, we get an attendance of close to 300 to 400 people. I request all of the Jains to come visit our temple. Jai Jinendra.
The third floor of the building consists of the Sri Adinath Temple in the Digambar tradition, Srimad Rajchandra Meditation Hall, and a library. The Sri Adinath Temple has a main Garbhagriha with 3 shikhars, Kailash and Dwaj. The Moolnaik Pratimaji is of Sri Adinath Swami with Sri Padma Prabhuji on the right and Sri Chandra Prabhuji on the left, all of white marble. On the right is a standing Pratimaji of Sri Pashwanathji in black marble, and on the left is a standing Pratimaji of Sri Bahubaliji of pink marble. There are other idols, Jinwani books, pictures of acharyas, and artwork in the Adinath temple.
दर्शनं जिनचन्द्रस्य सद्धर्मामृतवर्षणं जन्मदाह विनाशाय वर्धनं सुखवारिधे जीवादितत्त्वप्रतिदर्शकाय सम्यक्त्वमुख्याष्टगुणाश्रयाय प्रशान्तरूपाय दिगम्बराय देवाधिदेवाय नमो जिनाय.
In June 2005, came together and celebrated Pratishtha in their own way. Let's take a look at the temple as it stands now.
दर्शनं जिनचन्द्रस्य सद्धर्मामृतवर्षणं जन्मदाह विनाशाय वर्धनं सुखवारिधे जीवादितत्त्वप्रतिदर्शकाय सम्यक्त्वमुख्याष्टगुणाश्रयाय प्रशान्तरूपाय दिगम्बराय देवाधिदेवाय नमो जिनाय.
As a Jain, having this temple here has been amazing for me. It's a place that I can come and practice a religion, and the beauty of the 3 different floors where we can practice Jainism in the way the 3 sects practice, and I can really understand the rituals. And I think it's really great, and I really look forward to coming to here on Sundays.
I practice the Digambar faith, and the uniqueness of this temple is that it gives each tradition its own space under one roof to practice as they have learned from their forefathers.
This is a temple which depicts 5 versions of Jainism. We invite all young and old to come and visit this temple. It's unique in its own way, almost one of its kind in the world. So come and enjoy this unique temple, all of you. Jai Jinendra.
The Srimad Rajchandra Meditation Hall has facilities for Samayak, Pratikaman, Bhakti, and Sadhana. Inside a 60 by 30 marble structure is a Chitrapat of Srimad Rajchandra along with the Charan Paduka.
चिदानन्दैकरूपाय जिनाय परमात्मने परमात्मकप्रकाशाय नित्यं सिद्धात्मने नमः. अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष जिनेश्वर.
In June 2005, came together and celebrated Pratishtha in their own way.
Om युक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव
મારું નામ ડૉક્ટર મુકેશ અજમેરા છે. હું જૈન સેન્ટર ઓફ અમેરિકાનો મેમ્બર છું. અત્યારના અમે શ્રીમદ રાજચંદ્ર સેક્શનના જ્ઞાન મંદિરમાં ઊભા છીએ. જૈન ધર્મના જેટલા બી લોકો છે, અલગ અલગ પંથમાં માનતા, અલગ અલગ ફિરકાના હોય, બધા અહીંયા એક જ છત્ર નીચે અમે ભેગા થઈને આનંદથી જૈન ધર્મ અમે જે પ્રમાણે માનતા હોઈએ એ પ્રમાણે અહીંયા આવી એની ઉજવણી કરીએ છીએ. અને દુનિયાનું એક આ અજોડું અને સર્વોત્કૃષ્ટ જૈન સેન્ટર છે. આખી દુનિયામાં એક પણ આવું સેન્ટર નથી. આ સેન્ટર મારું છે, એક જૈન સભ્યનું છે. અને અહીંયા આવીને દરેકને આનંદ અને શાંતિનો અનુભવ થાય છે.
For your tax-free donations, suggestions and comments, please visit mangalamshow.com.
Hi, I'm Adit and this is my temple.
The library on the third floor contains an expanding collections of books on Jainism and a fully equipped administrative office. Weekly Pachala classes are held both in the library and in the cellar.
I do like coming to Pachala because we get to learn the right things about humanity.
Today we learned about Ahimsa and Satya. Ahimsa is practicing non-violence and having compassion and love for all living organisms, and Satya is always telling the truth and never lying.
The fourth floor of the building consists of the Dadawadi temple, the Ashtapad Mahatirth, and the dining hall. The Dadawadi temple contains a pratima of Sri Jinkushasuriji Maharaj.
वीतरागमुखं दृष्ट्वा पद्मरागस्तमप्रभं नैकजन्म कृतं पापं दर्शनेन विनश्यति. दर्शनं जिनसूर्यस्य संसारध्वान्तनाशनं बोधनं चित्तपद्मस्य समस्तार्थप्रकाशनम्.
In June 2005 came together and celebrated Pratishta in their own way. Let's take a look at the temple as it stands now.
जैनेंद्र, मेरा नाम आनंद कुमार नाहर, और इस मंदिर के बारे में मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि we are very proud of it. It's a unique place in the whole world. And going back in the history, it was founded in 1967 by a group of like 5 people. I was one of them. I was very lucky and proud of that. And since then, it has evolved in this unique center where it respects and accommodates all the different sects of Jainism. And this is a unique place for where everybody can practice in the way they prefer and they like.
The cellar of the temple is a multi-purpose hall that accommodates a youth center, computer area, mini theater, children's room, and an art gallery that exhibits works on a rotational basis. It is often used for small meetings and conferences such as senior citizen meetings, youth discussion groups, SAT classes, and Pachala.
That's actually what makes Jainism at least a little bit more believable to me, is the fact that, because I mean, if you think about all the environmental differences and socioeconomic and whatever that between every person in this world, I mean, it's just it's not as simple as this man is a criminal and you're a good person.
In Jain religion, it is said, if you do not know of fruit or vegetable or food which you have not seen in your life,
don't eat
not
it.
to consume it. That guideline is there.
The fourth floor also contains a spacious dining hall and a fully equipped kitchen with modern cooking facilities that can accommodate well over 150 people at a time. Though the dining hall is open 7 days a week, it sees the most activity after pujas on weekends.
Hi, my name is Mohammed and this is my temple.
जय जिनेंद्र, मैं मिसेस मायाबेन संतोष कुमार शाह तथा मेरे पति संतोष कुमार गोपाल दास शाह, हम दोनों ने भी यहाँ पे 22 साल पहले जब आए थे और यहाँ के मंदिर को भेंट दी थी, जब हमने देखा कि बहुत ही सुंदर मंदिर था और महावीर स्वामी जी की सुंदर प्रतिमा जी थी। 22 साल के बाद आज मैं फिर दूसरी बार यहाँ पे जब आई हूँ और ये मंदिर का पूर्ण स्वरूप जो देखा, वो देख के मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हुई।
The Ashtapad Mahatirth will be located on the rear of the Dadavadi temple. The mountain will be made of natural crystal stone and all the 24 idols will be carved out of precious and semi-precious gemstones. Upon completion, the Ashtapad Mahatirth will weigh well over 10 tons. The Ashtapad Mahatirth will further add to the uniqueness of the Jain Center of New York Temple.
I hope you enjoyed our program today, the special on Jain Center of America, New York. We would like to hear about your opinions and suggestions about the program. Please write to us at mangalamshow@gmail.com. Please visit us also at our website www.mangalamshow.com. Thank you for joining us today. Jai Jinendra.